The next item is Brindavani Venu. It is a beautiful Marathi abang composed by Bhanu Das. It describes the scene in Brindavan as Krishna is playing the flute and everyone is enchanted by its melody. The Govardhan mountain is enveloped by the sweet music. The peacock is spreading its feathers. The cows have stopped grazing. The tiger has forgotten its hunger and is standing next to a cow listening to the music. The birds are not chirping, and they have lost all feeling of animosity and are transfixed by the music. Such is the effect. This divine music is appreciated by even the devas in the sky. Seeing all this melts the heart of the poet Bhanu Das, who says he now understands what true prema bhakti or loving devotion is. Brindavani Venu in Bhimpalas Ragam, Adi Talam, performed by Aditi and Sharanya.
Brindavani Venu Venu Brindavani Venu Brindavani Venu Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Venu Kavana Samade Vade Venu Kavana Samade Vade Venunada Govardhana Gade Venunada Govardhana Gade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Kucha pasarona mayura virade 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 Madha bhagata bhasati kadavarade Madha bhagata bhasati kadavarade Rade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Tronachara Tronachara Jaru Visarali Gaye Vyagraya Kadayija Gaye Vyagraya Kadayija Tronachara Jaru Visarali Gaye Vyagraya Kadayija Pakshi Kule Nivanta Ragile Pakshi Kule Tanava Ragile Vari Bhava Samula Visarale Vari Bhava Samula Visarale Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Vade Brindavani Venu Dhvani Manjula Manjula Umatale Dhvani Manjula Manjula Umatale Dhvani Manjula Manjula Umatale Dhvani Manjula Manjula Umatale बाकी ऋणु झणु वाजले बाकी ऋणु झणु देव विमान बैसोनी स्तुति गाते देव विमान बैसोनी स्तुति गाते भानुदास भानुदास तवरे प्रेम भक्ति वेणु कवना समाजे बाजे वेणु कवना समाजे बाजे वेणु नाग गोवर्धन गाजे वेणु नाग गोवर्धन गाजे वृंदावन वेणु पाजे वृंदावन वेणु पाजे वृंदावन वेणु वृंदावन वेणु वृंदावन वेणु वृंदावने